Do you see that sign right there? It has a turtle on it. And it says, go with the flow. Go means to move. If you have a red light, you don't move. But if you have a green light, you move. You go. We go to different places. For example, we go to work. And when we get sick, we go to the doctor. The word flow is similar because it refers to the movement of water. Water in a river moves. It's not still, it moves. Both go and flow make the long O sound. O, go, flow. Many people go kayaking. When people go kayaking, they go with the flow. They move with the flow of the water. But the expression go with the flow isn't about kayaking. The expression go with the flow means relax, be flexible, have an open mind. Sometimes frustrating things happen. Sometimes plans change. Maybe you plan a picnic. It's a good plan, and you're excited. Yay! We're going to go on a picnic today. But plans change. It rains. But you don't get angry. You don't get angry. You relax. You stay calm and you go with the flow. And you eat at a restaurant. And you have fun. Maybe you plan a trip to New York. Ooh, it's going to be so much fun, New York. But plans change. Your flight gets canceled. But you don't get angry. You don't get angry. You relax. You stay calm. And you go with the flow. And you get a new flight the next day. And you go to New York and you have fun. Maybe you plan a dance party at your house. And you invite all of your friends. Come, friends, come to my house and dance with me. And you have really good dance music. But plans change. Your friends come to your dance party, but they don't dance. They sit and they talk. But you don't get angry. You relax. You stay calm. You go with the flow and you talk with your friends. You visit with your friends and you have fun. So when something frustrating happens, when plans change and you get angry, take a deep breath. Relax and think to yourself, go with the flow. It'll be okay.